Oh yeah, good morning everyone. So I'm just out of court. I didn't even need to go in fact. So I just sat around in the witness room, and then the dude, he pleaded guilty. Unsurprisingly, when you see the video, apparently he wanted to claim some kind of special circumstances in that his phone use was apparently an emergency, but I don't think he could successfully prove that, and he would have been unlikely to grant that, to be granted that special circumstances. Yeah, when you see his demeanor, he was looking very relaxed and casual in his van, and without the evidence of something like a 999 call, there's clearly no emergency that the court would likely accept. So yeah, done and dusted. Now I got to go and do some work. See ya. Typing on his phone while it's moving. Put your fucking phone away, mate. KJ17NXL.